Hello everyone. Today's maths lesson is all about exploring fractions. We're going to learn about halves and quarters. This is all about a teddy bear's fraction picnic. This is Teddy and Tina Bear, and they're going on a picnic. Papa Bear has made them a scrumptious lunch. But, oh dear, he's forgotten to cut up the food. Now the teddies love to share their lunch, but they always like to share their food equally. How could we cut this sandwich into 2 equal pieces? Do you remember what the word equal means? That's right, it has to be the same size. Can we cut the sandwich into 2 halves? Yes, we can. Each half is exactly the same size. This is the words for 1 half. We can also write it as a symbol, 1/2. The 2 refers to the number of parts that make up one whole. Can you see we've got 2 parts of the sandwich? Let's have a look. 1 half plus 1 half equals 1 whole. Do you think these sandwiches have been cut in half? Do they look about the same size? Yes, they've been cut in half as well. Let's look at these sandwiches. Have they been cut in half? Is each half equal? No, they're not, are they? Can you see that one side is bigger than the other? Let's see what else the teddies have got for their lunch. Got some cheese, donut, bottle of apple juice, a packet of nuts and a banana. I wonder if you could find some paper and pen and draw a picture of each piece of food. I wonder if you could show us by drawing a line where you would cut that food so that each half was the same. Each teddy gets the same amount of food. Think carefully about how you could divide the drink in half. Stop the video now and take your time drawing the pictures. Which way was the best way to cut the cheese so that each teddy gets 1 half? That's right. Did you choose this way? This half and this half are the same size. Over here, this part is much smaller than the bottom half of the slice of cheese. Did you cut your banana in half like Mrs Cran? And your donut? I think the teddies will agree that each half is the same size. I wonder how we can share the nuts so that each teddy gets 1 half of the packet. That's right, we could count how many nuts there are. And I can see that there are 12. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 nuts that we can share between the 2 teddies. Can you see how we can do that? How many nuts does each teddy get? Can you have a count? That's right. Each teddy gets 6 nuts. And we know that 6 plus 6 equals 12. So we can also say that 6 is 1 half of 12. And here we've written it, remember the symbol for 1 half. Now, how could we divide the drink into 2 equal parts for the teddies to share? Do you have an idea? That's right. We could pour the apple juice into 2 glasses. Remember, we need to make sure that we fill them to exactly the same place so that each teddy gets an equal amount of juice. What do you have for your lunch today? I wonder if you could draw a picture of the food in your lunch and show us how you could cut the food in half to share with someone in your family. Have a look at the food in this lunchbox. We'd need to share the sandwiches between 2 people, the cucumber, the chippies, the strawberries. Have a go. Don't forget to take a photo and send it in to your teacher when you've finished. Now I'm wondering, what happens if we need to share with more than one person? How could we share a sandwich between 4 children? Do you think you know? Maybe draw a picture and see how you would cut this sandwich for 4 equal parts. Did it look like this? We can cut a sandwich into 4 equal pieces, and each of these pieces is called a quarter. A quarter looks like this symbol, 1 on the top and 4 underneath, because there are 4 equal parts. 1 quarter plus 1 quarter plus 1 quarter plus 1 quarter equals 1 whole. How could you share your lunch for 4 people? Do you think you could draw it again and show us where you would cut the food so that it could be divided for 4 people? Have a go with some of these pictures below as well.